Watch out, watch out.
I got a broken rod.
We did it! Let's go! Let's go, brother!
We got a nice little workout today, huh?
Oh.
Go right, bro. Go right, go right, go right.
She ain't going
No, he just.
Oh,
nowhere.
she missed it. She missed it. You can see her down there.
The rod's done. It's toast.
That rod is toast,
I
bro.
just asked him how long he's had it. So before he lands this fish, he's had this rod since he was 16 years old. He's 36. Finally getting retired, and we're getting it on video.
Bro, come on.
Let's go, brother! Work it!
Get him.
Slow pitching that.
That's a big boy.
Oh, that's a big boy.
Woo!
Oh, look at that.
Oh, that net ain't enough.
Oh, my God.
That ain't enough. No! Yeah!
That's a real one right there. Come on, help me.